Hello, SheFi. In this demo, we're going to learn how to download the Phantom wallet and how to share the Solana wallet address for the purpose of this quest. So go ahead and use the link in the quest to navigate to the App Store to download the Phantom wallet. Click Install, and once downloaded, click Open to navigate to the Phantom wallet app. As you know, your wallet is super important. It's what holds your crypto, and we fund your wallet. And this enables us to navigate through the Web3 ecosystem very easily. Once into Phantom Wallet, go ahead and create your account with Apple or Google. And once your account is created, go ahead and enable Face ID for a smooth login experience for the future. I'm going to go ahead here and enable the Face ID. Click Allow. Enable notifications if you wish to. Click Allow again. And once here, I'm going to go ahead and choose Build a Crypto Portfolio and click Continue. Feel free to select any option that you wish. And there you go. You're good to go. All set. Your Phantom account is now created. As you can see, I already have an account that is funded. Go ahead and click on the top left. I'm going to select account 1, click on the plus icon on the top right, and I'm going to go ahead and create a second account for the purpose of this demo. You can follow the same steps to create your account. Once your account is created, click again on the top left icon, go to account 2 or account 1 in your case, and now rename this to whatever name you wish. I'm going to go ahead and choose Kush SheFi 2 and click Save. There you go. Now click on the QR code next to the account you've just created. And from the drop-down menu, you can see you have a bunch of networks to choose from. We're going to select the Solana network for the purpose of this quest. And we're going to copy the address. Once the address is copied, go ahead and toggle to Mighty Networks and submit your Solana address for the next quest. Thank you for watching this demo, and I'll see you in the next one.